CIET NCERT presents audiobook Interactions, activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10.
Page 33.
Chapter 14 Everyday Heroes.
Learning Outcomes. 1.
Learners will be able to listen for gist, specific information, and detail in the given text.
2.
Learners will be able to appreciate bravery and presence of mind in children.
3.
Learners will be able to listen to the report and arrange the pictures in sequence.
4.
Learners will be able to discuss and analyze the given pictures and identify what they see.
5.
Learners will be able to work in groups and narrate a story on the basis of the given pictures. Now, we will move to page 147 for the appendix of chapter 14.
Page 147.
Appendix 14.
Note to the teacher. 1.
Before children listen to the tape script, the teacher needs to divide the class into groups of 4.
2.
Ask the children to look at the pictures carefully.
3.
Ask them to talk about the pictures.
4.
Ask questions like, what is the girl doing in picture 1? Is she happy or angry? Why is the man on the ground? Why is the girl riding the jeep? Where do you think she is?
Page 148. Listening text.
On the evening of 29 July 2001, Sambhavi, a 13-year-old braveheart, fought a gang of bag snatchers and helped the police arrest them. The incident took place in Noida, where Sambhavi's parents, Alka and Sukhendu Ray, who are doctors, run a clinic. As Sambhavi and her mother came out of the clinic, 2 men on a motorcycle tried to snatch her mother's purse. Sambhavi, who was alert, held on to the purse. As she pulled it towards her, the pillion rider was thrown off guard. He fell off the motorcycle. Hearing their cries for help, passerby rushed to help Sambhavi and her mother. Seeing the crowd, the 2 men tried to run away, but were overpowered by the crowd, which handed them over to the police. Sambhavi Ray of Noida received the National Bravery Award for Children on the Republic Day in 2003. Now, we will move to page 33 for the activities of chapter 14.
Page 33. Warm-up. A.
The National Bravery Awards are given annually to children for exemplary acts of bravery. What does the word brave mean to you? List the words to complete the web chart. One of the words in the web chart is courageous. You have to fill the other 5 blanks with the words connected to brave.
B.
Work in pairs and complete the definition given below. Share your views with the class. A person who is brave is blank.
Page 34. Activity 1. Listening. A.
Listen to a news broadcast about a young girl who fought and overpowered 3 motorcycle bone purse snatchers. As you listen, number the pictures given here in order. Study the pictures before you listen to the recording. The story narrated in the appendix has been divided into 5 pictures. You have to arrange these pictures in the correct order. Picture 1. Sambhavi is walking with her mother. They are being followed by 2 men on a motorcycle. Picture 2. Sambhavi is trying to take back her mother's purse from one of the men on the motorcycle. Picture 3. Sambhavi is receiving an award on the Republic Day parade. Picture 4. Sambhavi has snatched her mother's purse from the thieves and they have fallen down on the road. Picture 5. Sambhavi is coming out of the clinic with her mother and the snatchers are following them.
Activity 2. Speaking. A.
Look at the pictures given here. Work in groups of 4 and create a story on 2 brave boys who saved many lives by preventing a train accident. Share your story with the class.
1.
2 boys are playing football close to a railway track.
2.
The boys are trying to cross the railway track.
3.
One of the boys is trying to stop the train with the help of his red t-shirt.
4.
The boys are being appreciated by the nearby villagers. Chapter 14 Everyday Heroes ends here.
Interactions. Activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10. You were just listening to this audiobook. Read by Akash and Kashfi Shamail. Recorded by Bati Langlingdo and Vikas Sangwan. Production assistants Tanu Gupta. Directed and produced by Vandana Arimardhan. This audiobook is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.